Oh, it's always a microphone or a pointer. Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are dishing up everything you ever want to know about asparagus, but we're too afraid to ask. You want to know?
I do. Today we're going to be making a shaved asparagus salad. Usually people like to roast their asparagus, blanch their asparagus,
Conduct a symphony.
but today we are going to make an asparagus salad.
Let me talk a little bit about buying asparagus firstly.
Okay.
They should be firm to the touch, but still somewhat tender. The bottoms, make sure that they're not woody and cracked, and the tips, that they're closed and firm. Yeah, you bought them well.
Thank you.
And I'm going to just say a few more things about asparagus. Female, male. You'll notice female asparagus are quite a bit plumper. Situation normal in my house. Asparagus are part of the lily family, which is related to onions and garlic. Are you learning so much?
So much.
While I'm talking?
Yeah, I'm paying attention.
Asparagus, they can grow 10 inches in 24 hours. Asparagus are also a known aphrodisiac. Asparagus are also a hangover cure. It's a little sandy. Did you wash them?
Nope. Not those ones. You okay over there?
The best way to keep your asparagus fresh and keep them longer, I'm going to show you. I just used my pointer finger. Water, loosely covered with a plastic bag in the fridge, and you're good to go.
Okay, so we're going to take a vegetable peeler, and all you're going to do is you're going to peel your asparagus. Then with the tips that you haven't used, you're going to cut them off, cut them in half, and just add them to your salad like this. In our shaved asparagus salad is shaved fennel, cucumbers, radishes, celery. Then we're going to add shaved asparagus, mint and fresh parsley. We're going to top that with a lemon vinaigrette, some toasted pistachio nuts, and shaved Parmesan.
I think we can all agree that we need to thank Lisa a bunch. Thanks a bunch for this amazing, delicious, and fresh tasting recipe.
For this recipe, see below.
And if you like what you see, press like and go to bitememore.com for more amazing asparagus fun. Whee! That didn't really work.
It did.
That wasn't that much fun.
Yeah,
that part.
No?
No. Could have been more fun.
Maybe you could play pickup sticks with